I am Sudheendra. Along with me, my colleague Ramprakash Holla is here. We represent a company called Distinct Productivity Solution based in Bangalore. We manufacture high precision components for various sectors like solar, hydraulics, EV, and many such sectors. We, as the name itself says, distinct productivity solutions. That means to say, in our blood, the productivity is there. So there is no choice. We have to participate in such great events like National Productivity Summit. So productivity is common in both in our company and also in event. So we came here to present our case study, a wonderful case study, which is the enhancement of productivity by changing the manufacturing strategy. That is building our own SPM. We didn't buy SPM. We didn't buy any equipment, but we manufactured our own SPM, and this SPM enhanced the productivity by 300 more than 15 times. So how it was done, all these things was represented by my colleague Mr. Ramprakash Holla. And how did you feel, Holla? How was the presentation? I mean, I was really enjoying your presentation, being the part of the the project.
It was very passionately I was able to present, because we have involved right from the nut and bolt of the machine, the entire process of the machine building. So how it resulted into that, and we could convey the entire story to the audience. And I feel that there was a very good learning all to the audience also. And actually, when we prepared the presentation and when we were making the presentation, I was thinking that we know everything about the machine. But then the kind of questions the juries were asking, they were really thought-provoking. They were pointing out certain things which has made us to think further.
Yes.
And it says that productivity is not a destination; it is a continuous journey. Actually, it is not stopping here. We have to continue our journey and take it forward.
This.
That's what I felt.
Yeah, we have set up a project for 2024.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the learning. All when we can do, SME can do. Why not you all? Why not you all? You should also participate in such summits. We are just following our big brothers, and all the younger brothers also should follow this and be the part of the summit, be the part of all these good events, which will enhance the productivity of a company and later enlarge a nation.